Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is our last night in Ooty. We are heading to bonfire followed by a yummy home cooked meal by the GM itself. So tag along. लास्ट डे ही सही बट वेदर ने फाइनली हमारा साथ दिया. इट वॉज नॉट रेनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन आवर स्टे एंड वी हैड एन अमेजिंग बॉन फायर. इसलिए मैं शॉपिंग का व्लॉग भी नहीं बना पाई बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग, बट ऑल इज़ गुड दैट एंड्स वेल. So guys, we have gotten ready and we are heading out. This is the view just before we go, and this is me. We have cancelled Paikara plans, but we'll be going for a little bit of shopping, boat riding and things of that sort. So I'll take you guys along. Hello mommy. Hi. तो आज का हमारा शॉपिंग का प्लान भी कैंसिल हो गया क्योंकि वी डिडंट नो व्हाट टाइम द फॉरेस्ट विल क्लोज एंड वी वांटेड टू हैव इनफ टाइम बिफोर वी रीच द फॉरेस्ट. But it was a really good decision since we got to see a lot of animals. I hope you guys have liked all the Ooty vlogs and subscribe to my channel to keep coming back for more. I will see you guys in the next video. Now you enjoy the views. Take care. Made a pit stop and look at the lake. I mean, you go everywhere, you have views on views on views and views. It's so beautiful.